In this lesson, you're going to learn how to add worksheets and remove worksheets. For example, in this sample worksheet, if we need to add more worksheets, what we simply need to do is to highlight our mouse over here on this plus sign, then click on it. Once we click on it, we're going to create a new worksheet. Okay, let's just scroll forward. A new worksheet called Actual 2014. If you click again, you're going to create another one, which is going to be labeled Sheet 1. Click again, you're going to get another sheet. Click again, you're going to get another sheet. Let's just scroll so that you can see the whole worksheets. If I need to remove some worksheets, I simply right click on one of the worksheets, then hit the delete option. But if I need to delete several worksheets, I can press the control key, select the number of sheets that I want to delete, right click, then click delete. Okay, if I also want to add another worksheet, and if I'm in the home tab, I simply click on insert, insert sheet, and another sheet is going to be displayed over here. If you need to create another one, I can click on it, insert sheet. And remember, when you're using these options like the home insert sheet option, the sheet is not going to be created on the right hand side, but is going to be created on the left hand side of the current sheet. So that's the difference between using the plus button and using the insert option. Another way how you can insert a sheet is, let's say for example we are on sheet 4. I can right click on it, then click insert, and Excel is going to give me several options of what to do or insert. If I just want to insert a worksheet, I just highlight the first option, then click OK. And like the previous iteration of insert sheet from the home tab, it's also going to insert the sheet to the left hand side, but not to the left hand side. And that is how you create more worksheets. See you in the next lesson.